To set up our ventilators in the emergency department, the first thing to know is you've got help. We've got quick reference guide on the back as well as laminated cards that'll walk you through step by step. In addition, up in the corner, printed PowerPoint demonstration as well as a full owner's manual. Just in case you don't have any help, first thing you want to do is unpack the patient circuit. Uncoil all the tubes. Make sure you fish out this 22 millimeter hard plastic port. It goes down on the right side of the ventilator. Otherwise you won't be able to connect the corrugated plastic tubing. In addition, you have to connect the transducer ports and the expiratory valve. The expiratory valve is a push-on, while the transducer ports need to be twisted on. Rather than simply twisting them to the right, I recommend you rotate to the left, create some tension in the line before you push it on, and allow that tension to help hold it on, rotating to the right. Next, talk about a couple different filters. First is our standard humidifying filter. This actually goes to the end facing the patient. Next, we have our hydrophobic HEPA filter, also known as the viral filter. This is actually connected between the exhalation valve and the corrugated tubing in the expiratory circuit. When you unpack the patient's circuit from the bag, you'll have to disconnect the corrugated tubing from the expiratory valve to place the viral filter. Fortunately, filters only fit one way, and that's the correct way. Make sure that your oxygen source is connected. However, the LTV does have an internal compressor and can generate rather high flows. Next, to turn the ventilator on, hit your on standby button. First thing you'll have to do is select whether you want same patient or indicate you want a new patient by rotating the set value dial to new patient and hit select. You'll have to indicate if you want infant, pediatric, or adult, and then choosing by hitting select once again. You'll see that we've connected to some small lungs here, and the machine may alarm until you actually connect it to the patient. If at any point you need to silence the alarm, that's found here on the right side. To manipulate any of the settings, you simply hit the button that you want to change and then rotate the set value and then hit select to confirm it. You'll notice we are currently in a assist control mode, and the brighter numbers are the numbers that we're able to manipulate. If I want to decrease my tidal volume, I push tidal volume and then rotate the set value dial until I get my desired volume and hit select. Similarly, to increase PEEP, you hit your PEEP, increase your PEEP, and select. While booting up the machine, if you were to make a mistake and accidentally select a pediatric patient or same patient, unfortunately you do have to reboot the machine by holding down the on standby button and turning it on once again.